Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials and immediately starting the brew. Place the brewing stand and fuel it with blaze powder. This powers every batch. Add water bottles into the 3 slots, then insert nether wart as the first ingredient to create an awkward base. Once done, swap the nether wart for golden carrots to craft night vision potions. You're doing the key conversion now. Make sure to keep an eye on fuel levels and bottle counts so you don't stall mid-process. Once you have the base night vision potion, decide how you'll use it. If you need longer sight, add redstone to extend duration to 8 minutes. The brewing stand will show progress and finish automatically. If sharing is required, add gunpowder to make splash potions so you can throw them. Be careful not to use fermented spider eye unless you intend to corrupt the potion into invisibility variants. Make sure to label stacks and count quantities so you don't waste valuable golden carrots. To get night vision without particles, use the command form that hides particles. Enter /effect give it s night vision 99,999 0 true. The final true parameter suppresses particles. If you prefer permanent gameplay, install a client-side resource pack or mods that remove particle textures, but make sure they match your Minecraft version. If the command fails, confirm you have cheats or operator rights, correct syntax.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.